generate revenue, especially the concessionaire, for them to be able to finance the infrastructure requirements to modernize the airport. The process is a continuing dialogue with the stakeholders. No? In fact, that's the instruction of the cabinet when this was approved. But we need to approve it. It's part of the concession agreement that we signed with New NAIA Infrastructure Corporation, and let's give it a chance muna. And for a small amount of increase in the cost, I think it will not affect the tourist arrival. Yung regular rates hindi naman ganoon kataas, no? Yung nagrereklamo yung overnight party. Kasi yung airport naman hindi dapat overnight partying yan eh, no? Dapat yan para doon sa mga pasahero, no? Sa mga sumusundo, no? No, dapat 2 oras lang, 3 oras, no? Pero yung overnight party, siguro yun ang dinidiscourage natin, no? Nagdi-determine dyan is the concessionaire, but we can talk to them. We can share to them yung inyong mga comments. The rates, di ba? Parang sinasabi doon na we approve daw the rates without approval from the cabinet. No? It passed through the cabinet meetings. There were many cabinet meetings that we had to discuss this, not only once or twice. I think 3, and we have special meetings. And the president was very supportive of the rates that were discussed. So, yung sinabi na nagalit siya, never happened.